Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and my crowd. This is Hilda, your host. Ta-da-da-dan. Panel 5 is done. We are on the last row, panel 6. Today the video is going to be super short because I'm under heavy light. It's hot in here. My air conditioning barely is working. Well, it's not working. All it's doing is blowing hot air practically. It's not cooling the way it's supposed to be. I bought another one so it doesn't come until Wednesday. So it's gonna be a very, very, very short. We don't have that much to talk because it's the 6th panel. You don't need to find the points for the border or anything like that. You just start working whatever you want to do. So I already start working with column number 21, which is the one that has the most. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you, and I'm so excited because this is gonna be done just like I want it, toward the end of July, beginning of August, so we can start with those beading projects, because that's what the fall is gonna be all about. I gotta finish the corn and poppies. I'm gonna finish that one so I can start the other one, the big one, the one with the fall like. So there is not much on here except that I hope you have enjoyed this stitch along. Please comment below. It's very important to comment and hit subscribe button. Okay, but over here is a matter of choosing the color that you want to start with. I like to start with the colors that have the most so I can get those done quickly, but that's it. You know, that's it for panel 6. And once this is done, okay, I will show you the finished product before washing and after washing. Did I wash it and everything? It's on the same video. We pause the video and then I show you how easy it's done. I mean, how I show you the final product as oops, I'm not. Sorry about that, guys. I got this wet a little bit because my finger was wet. I don't know what's going on with this. Okay, this is better. You see, it got wet a little bit because my finger had a big cut and this got wet. And I'm grabbing the fabric. So But I'm glad that we are in the final phase of this. Now I don't know. Let me get the 6 because it's wet and it seems like it blended the here's number 6. Yeah, this is the pink ones, these two. So that's when they get wet. It's better to act quickly. figure out. Okay, for the rest, I'm not gonna add anything right now. I'm gonna let it dry without disturbing it more, so it won't rub the ink. So I'm gonna leave it over here. I told you it was gonna be a quick one due to the heat, and I'm under heavy light right now, and so it's getting heated. So I'm gonna keep on doing number 21, and we're starting on the final journey with this one. Okay, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the shortness of the video, but like I said in the beginning, the air conditioner is not working on my home, and I have respiratory conditions, so I have to take it easy. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.